Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube product review series. This is Vipin Gupta, and today we are going to learn about this new product which is called as Commission Ignition. As the name suggests, it's going to ignite your commission. And to begin with, this product is being launched by Johnny Rose and Shasha Illich that you can see here, and this is being launched on 2nd of November, that is a Monday at 10 a.m. EST. So now you guys must have heard about a platform called as Quora, right? Once you go on Google, you type your questions like how can I do this, how can I do that, everything. Then you get into a platform which is Quora, where you get answers from different people. So till now you just know that this is the platform where you get questions and answers, that's it. But now within this product which you are going to see, Commission Ignition, when we go into the members area, I will show you this is much more than just a question answer platform. This product is going to actually show you a secret door into Quora, using which you can actually make passive income just by learning from this product. So now let's just go further and dig into this product. So it says, see how we ignite our commissions and make $180 every single day on autopilots in minutes. So this technique is actually going to help you generate more than $180 every single day just on autopilots. You just have to spend few minutes, set your tool and everything on autopilot, and that's how it's going to generate it. Now let's learn more about it. What is Commission Ignition all about? So as I said, it's going to be a learning tutorial set, okay, where you're going to learn about how can you exploit and how can you find that secret doorway into Quora. And using this, you're going to explode your commissions with a new secret untapped online platform that delivers premium buyer traffic. You get access to the premium buyer traffic and you generate 4-figure paydays for only few minutes effort a day. So you just have to invest few minutes a day, and that's what you can generate. So in the normal product version, you just have access to 1 hour of training. You have 5 different over the shoulders videos, which are actually the secrets of these amazing marketing affiliates who are generating 6 figures, 7 figures income, and all their secret techniques or strategies are covered within this 5 training sessions here. So now let me directly take you to the members area. I have early access to this, and let's just see what is there within this product. So first of all, once you buy this product, you will have access to this, and you will be landing on such a platform where you can just use your email ID and the password assigned when you buy the product, and you can log in. So once you log in, this is how the dashboard looks like. You have here the dashboard info, you get Commission Ignition Pro, so these are all the upsells available, the offers that you're going to get. In case if you buy front end, you will have access to this. In case if you buy an upgrade versions, then you will have access to these as well, depending upon what are you going to buy. Later after this video, I'm going to show you what are the offers available. So let's just concentrate on this part now first. Okay, so on the dashboard, you see there's a welcome note here. So my clear suggestion to you guys is that in case if you like this product, if you see that you really want to explore this world of Quora and you buy this product, please do not skip these trainings. Okay, so these trainings are really designed in a proper way so that you can earn and learn from it. So also align yourself with the mindset of the trainer. He's a trainer, please align with him. What is he teaching? So do go through the welcome note. And second thing is, he's going to explain what is that secret doorway into Quora. So you're going to learn in this welcome session itself. Now there is a main learning session here. So this section there are different sections here: section 1, section 2, conclusion, upgrades, and this. So section 1 is talking about the main training, okay, where you're going to learn all the skills required. So you do not have to know everything. You just can be a newbie or anything. You just have to come here and everything is going to be taught step by step. So you're going to learn introduction to Quora Marketing Made Easy. So what is that marketing platform within Quora? You're going to learn about that. You're going to learn what is Quora all about, setting up your Quora account. Once you go into this, you can set up your account. You're going to get this info as well. So how to post your videos on Quora. So in case if you have videos, you can how to post them and post them in a way that they drive traffic. That's also important. Just posting videos is not going to help it. You need to make sure that your videos also drive traffic. That's how you can get free traffic as well. So these are all different things you're going to learn. You're also going to get SEO hacks, search engine optimization hacks, that is going to help you help your videos, your content to stay on the top, okay, of the search. So this is done by using a backlink on Quora. You can put that backlink, and using that backlink, your videos are going to stay on the first page, on the top 10 and things like that. So here you are also going to learn about what is setting up your Quora ads. You can set up your ads on Quora, setting up your traffic campaigns. You're going to learn on setting up remarketing and retargeting campaigns. So these campaigns are, you can create it, and all of these campaigns are really going to help you generate your income. So additionally, you have all these things. You are going to learn about Quora do's and don'ts. You're going to learn about Quora marketing success stories. So this is also important that you learn from the people who have already generated money, because those are the strategies that you also have to follow without risk, so that you can generate money and learn from this. So you also have boosting commissions with the Quora flywheel strategy. So these are different strategies available. So these guys have been in market for really a long time, more than me and you guys, okay? And they have already generated a lot of money, and now they really want to offer this to we guys like you and me, and they want us to also generate this, use this platform and make money. So now this was about the section 1, and now let me show you what is section 2 all about. Section 2 is going to give you all the 5 different case studies. Here are the different case studies, and these case studies include the strategies used by different top marketing affiliates. They have been making money and how. So this is all covered here. See, here is about Stefan, here is about Ahmed, Sadiq, Prashant, and Nagu. And these are different people who have been generating money. How did he make $500 Quora post method using Quora to drive 34,000 visitors to affiliate promos? So if you are making any affiliate promotion, how can you drive that 34,000 visitors to your promotion? All that you're going to learn here. Everything is here. And next is the conclusion section. So you're going to get a conclusion note here that if there is something missing, and they are going to conclude the session. Now, in case if you go for any upgrade offer, then all those upgrades offer are available here. Okay, so in case if you buy any upgrade offer, so all those will be here. You will have access to them as well in the members area, depending upon what you buy. And now you also will have access to vendor bonuses that I'm going to show you in this video as well. And all those vendor bonuses are available in this members area here. And next one is actually something that you are not going to see in sales page. So there is a very special unannounced bonus. I'm not going to show it to you here. This is a surprise, and you will get to see this once you buy this product. This is not even mentioned. This is a surprise gift for people who are buying this product. So guys, this was in short a summary of this. So you get here are all these upgrades available and content available. So you can go through this product once you have the access to this. So now let me take you back to my bonus page and show you what are the offers that you have available for this product. So now there are different prices and upsells. There is a front-end version offer, and then there are upgrades there. So the front-end version offer, which is worth $9, just simply $9.45. This is just so easy. So whatever I showed you in the members area, right? Let me just show that to you again. So section 1 and section 2, all these two, and along with the bonuses, they are available just for $9.45. There is nothing they are going to ask you anything else other than this. And now comes the offer version. So we have OTO 1, OTO 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 different OTOs available, and all these OTOs are here for different prices. There are upsell prices. In case if you don't want to go for an upsell, you can also save your $10 and go for a downsell price that is $17. So here also you have upsell and downsell. And here in this upsell number 1, you are going to get access to additional video courses that are going to help you bring your business to the next level of commission ignition. So it's more than just the basic what I just showed you. So in this, you are going to get the pro version. Okay, shows you another platform. They are going to show you one more platform where with the minimum amount of competition, people don't know about it, and that's why you can generate more income in that. And how can you start reaching buyers in any niche you want? So you're going to learn this in OTO 1, and OTO 2, you are just going to have access to more than 100,000 done for you Quora answers across different niches like beauty, business, cars, careers, everything. What you need to do is you can use these answers and use your affiliate link, and then just use this answer, map it to affiliate link, and then post it. That's it. So everything is done for you. Copy, paste, and post. And that's how the people are going to read it. They're going to click it, and then you get commission paid. So that's how it's going to work. Now OTO number 3 is actually the reseller, right? So in case if you want, you can earn 100% commission by reselling it. So you can buy this product using the OTO 3, and then you can sell it to your friends, family members, and across whomever you want with the resell right. And then with this, whatever you are going to earn, you're going to make all that 100% of yours. So everything is going to be yours then. And now OTO number 4, actually, sorry guys, this is OTO number 4 here, commission ignition coaching. Here you are going to get additional one-on-one coaching, where you are going to learn further into how can you explore Quora further and maximize your profit. So please go through this and think about it, whichever chooses your strategy and which you want to try. I would say go for front end version. If you are new to the market and if you are really new to internet marketing, stick with front end version, learn it, and then go further to one of the offers. And if you are already an internet marketer and you know about it, then just choose any offer, or you can also go for resell rights where you can sell this product further and make 100% commission. So now let me talk about the quick advantages of this. So first advantage is it's ideal for beginners. So it doesn't matter if you are a newbie or you are a professional. Actually, it's wonderful for you guys, and it works for different niches, almost every niche, and you do not need any tech skills required. So anyone can do this. It's a fail proof because you just have to replicate what is already available and generate profit. And you can just immediately ignite your commissions, and you can start making money within a day, guys, if you set it up. So 2020 is best. So this actually platform is a kept secret because there is not much of people or competition where people are exploiting this platform. There are many platforms available, Facebook, Insta, every platform where we think that these are just social media platforms just to communicate. No, these are making money as well, but not every people know about how to do that. So this is one such platform. So here you also get 30-day money back guarantee, guys. So just to keep you safe and keep your investment safe, you get 30-day money back guarantee. If you like this product, you can use it. If you do not think that it doesn't help you much, then you also get 30-day money back guarantee. And additionally, if you are an early bird, if you go for an early bird price, if you do not wait along, then you get a 10% extra offer promotion code, that's Ignite Now. So you can go and make the purchase within the launch period, okay, within the initial period of the launch, and you can get 10% discount as well. So this is a very special coupon available from my side. You can go and make the purchase and maybe you get another 10% off. And now let me show you. Here there is a introductory video on my bonus page. Please go through this. And now is the time I'm going to highlight what am I going to offer you. So in case if you decide to buy the product, you just have to go to the description link in the video here in the description section, click on that. It will take you to my bonus page, what you see right now. Once you come here, you can click on any of these tabs and make the purchase, because if you do that, I'm going to offer you something very special. Those are amazing bonuses. So don't stick to one platform and make passive income. You just have to spend 10 or 15 days a minute, 15 minutes a day, not more. So where you can generate multiple passive income. So I'm going to share some amazing different sources with you, which are going to help you generate money. So my first source that I'm going to give you is that here, this is called as underground secret to amplify traffic to your campaigns and landing pages. So in case if you decide to create your campaigns, which was just mentioned in Quora, if you make them, so here, this is a secretive method, which is not known to everyone. And how can you increase and amplify your traffic to those landing pages and campaigns? You're going to learn in this tutorial here. My bonus number 2 that I'm going to offer you is called as CPA. This is a very amazing strategy. It's called as cost per action or click per action. Here you get paid not by selling. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to sell any third-party stuff. You just have to drive specific traffic to a definite destination. They might just have to fill in, sign up, or make a click. That's it. You get paid in terms of commission. So this is another, see, such an easy platform it is. So no, you're not creating a product, not developing, you just are driving a traffic. Such an easy way to make passive income, just 10 to 15 minutes of a daily job. And now my third bonus that I'm going to give you is actually how can you use the traffic and make your own list of customers. So you have a traffic, you need to learn how to convert the traffic into leads. That's a very important job of making money in internet marketing. So you're going to learn that secret here in bonus number 3. And now comes the bonus number 4 that I'm going to offer you. Here you're going to learn about an unconventional way of doing launch jacking. Launch jacking is all about promoting others' product, and here you're going to learn about how can you organically do that without investing anything, just few minutes of your time, and then start making passive income by in terms of commission that people are going to give you once they buy the product. So this is how you can do that. And now bonus number 5 that you're going to get is actually exclusively 5 unique bonuses, and they are worth $4,985. I'm going to show them to you now after this. So these are all wonder bonuses that you're going to have access to. So now guys, in case if you like this product and if you decide to buy this product, let me show you how can you make the purchase and how will you have access to my bonuses as well. So what you need to do is in the description section of the video, you have to click, you will be coming to my bonus page here. Once you come on this bonus page, you can click on any of these tabs here. Once you click on any of these tabs, okay, these steps are also written here. Once you click on this tab, you will be taken to the sales page. On the sales page, you can make the purchase via any of the links here, get instant access to Ignition Commission. You can click here, make the purchase. Remember guys, you also might have 10% promotion offer available, so use that as well. And once you make the purchase, this is going to take you to your Warrior Plus account. So once you land up in your Warrior Plus account, you have this blue tab here. Once you click on this blue tab, it says access affiliate bonuses. Once you click on that, you get taken to a page like this. This is my thank you page, and here I have compiled all the bonuses for you. Okay, so I wanted that you should not lose it, so I have put it in just one sheet. So you just have to click on access here and you get access to my bonus. You just click on this, you get access to my bonuses here. So that's easy, so easy as it is. Now let me just take you to the sales page and show you how does it really look like, what are the contents available. So guys, this is the official sales page of this product. There is a lot of content available. Please go through this, but I tried to summarize what are the best part of it. And please go through the, I think there are testimonials from different people. There are proof of concepts here, how much people have been making money. These are the guys, vendors here who developed this product. Just read about them. And there are people giving testimonies here. Let me just show that to you. So guys, here you see there's a list of people. These are the people who have been exploiting Quora like anything and making just money and money. And now guys, let me show you what are these special bonuses that you're going to get from the vendors end. These, as I said, they are worth $4,985. So these are 5 different unique bonuses, and they are going to help you exploit now different platforms. So it was only about Quora. Now I'm going to show you what else can you exploit. So bonus number 1 tells you how can you master your FB ads. If you are making Facebook ads, you're promoting products via ads, how can you master that? You're going to learn bonus number 1. And now I'll show you bonus number 2. Bonus number 2 is actually about mastering Bing ads. So the same way as different platforms, so Bing ads is also a platform. I know not many people know it, but this is also possible. And here you're going to learn how can you master them. So master them means that you have to invest minimal and generate a huge amount of profit. So this is the ratio. This is a skill set not everyone has. So bonus number 3, here you are going to learn about how can you master Google AdWords account. So you can set up your Google AdWords account. You're going to learn in this, and then you can use Google Ads as a means to generate money as well. You're going to learn about how to create solo ads mastery. So you're going to learn how to master solo ads here. And now comes the bonus number 5, again a different platform, Instagram. So you get Facebook, Instagram, Quora, Google, and Bing. See how many different platforms have this product covered. You are going to become a master of all of them and start generating money on this platform. And from my side, I showed you, you are going to get access to CPA method. You're going to get access to an organic way of doing launch jacking. Let me show that to you. And you're also going to learn how to drive traffic to your landing pages and squeeze pages. And you're going to learn about how can you convert the traffic into your convertible leads. So this is all you're going to get for free. If you buy, it doesn't matter if you buy a OTO or a front-end version, I'm going to offer you this all for free. Yeah, guys. So that's it, guys. This was a short summary on this product. And please remember, my bonus page is valid only as long as this timer is running, and you can avail all my bonuses just for free by making a purchase via my link here. So guys, thank you for watching my review video. And as always, if you like my video, then please hit the like button and leave your comments in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, or if you have not subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button for receiving such interesting product review videos and supporting my channel. Thank you. See you again.